So it's been sitting for about 1.5 years.
Ooh.
It hasn't been sitting, but she's been driving it somewhat regularly, she said, but only to make sure that it was okay, not actually to use it for anything.
Right.
So that was the first negative. The second thing, so the blow-by test passed with flying colors. I drove it around and it felt amazing.
Good.
And I started it probably 3 or 4 times, on and off. Drove it around after that, came back. About 10 minutes ago, I went back up to start it and it didn't start.
Like rear or nothing?
No, it did. It did. And then I was like, you know what? Not sure what just happened, but I'm just not going to touch it. I'll let you look at that. Don't want to make it any worse or whatever. So besides that, I've checked all the underneath rails. Looked good. There's a little bit of windshield rust on the underside of the front. There's a little bit of gunk in the engine.
It's just surface. Some kind of scratch from maybe somebody trying to lift it. They're trying to get these off, maybe. See, also these are just wood screwed in. Repainted steel rims.
Lots of weird body looks. A little bit everywhere.
Yeah.
Great contender for Raptor liner, but I don't know if you should treat that first.
I would.
Okay, they got foam board
But
in there.
it's not going to take you as long as. Yeah, you can
That's
see.
pretty bad. Mine was not that bad.
Oh, it doesn't look horrible under here. I can kind of see the drains are plugged, but some rust by the drain. Uh-oh. Hole right above the muffler. You can see the wood floor.
Oh, yeah. They had a shower drain there or something. Oh! They patched it with something after they cut it.
Supposed to be some heat shielding up there too, if I'm not mistaken.
Oh! Watch right above your head there, there's a little wasp nest.
Ew. Yeah.
It looks empty, it looks abandoned, but the honeycomb is there.
Well, that's an unfortunate place to put a drain hole. Whoops.
Yeah. There's a nice round hole cut in the floor there. It's plywood over.
Yeah, that's what that is. I was curious about that block.
Hey, it's a remanufactured transmission. Pretty cherry red transmission. Never seen that before. Never seen that brand of reman. Oh. Blue. Repainted seat bases. So it's definitely painted over because it was painted over the manufacturing sticker. That's just glued on over the Dodge emblem, not at all like we did in our video. This is out of a ML. This is not stock. This came out of a Mercedes ML class or something like that. That's cool. That fits right on though.
Panels look really good.
No central locking.
I checked and those look better than I expected, definitely, which made me a little curious.
No central locking. No power windows. Right. Definitely not a stock shift knob. Shift. It does have armrests though.
I like these Boba Fett looking floor mats.
Yeah, the floor mats are kind of neat.
3/8 and 11mm. Those weren't used in
This, but the vents aren't horribly broken.
They don't, most of them don't have this, do they?
Yeah, FedEx vans don't have these.
Right.
And that's what we've been seeing lately is FedEx vans. But see,
Ooh.
that's rough. That's rough. My brake. See, it goes past.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. Oh.
It just gets really cold. It gets so cold.
Look at that, 360 air, please. Nice radio. Well, the interior's got some carpet.
It even has the 316 CDI drill pack. I'm saying you could have decked out this van. Look at that.
Yeah, you're right. Clear headlights and everything.
What do you see on the front of the engine there, Mike?
Black Death? Yep. Leaking all over the fuel rail here.
Yep.
K&N air filter. Oh no. It's usually not a bad sign, but it could be. Very, very, very oily on the bottom here.
Took a picture of that.
Okay. Balancer's solid, doesn't move. Crank pulley solid, doesn't move. AC compressor spins. That's good. Holy oil, Batman. Or is it diesel? Let's find out.
It's serious. Serious accent.
Oh, I can't read that far.
He thinks that's oil.
Very sci-fi. Ew! Oh my god.
You can see the marks where they pried off the previous logos.
Yeah.
Although that is pretty much just like the sticker I put on the back of Shorty, so I'm proud of my recreation. That was probably done with a Cricut.
Right.
Pretty sweet. Also, ooh, crunchy.
A little bit of WD.
Doesn't even open. Yeah, it does. Okay. Oh, and you gotta pick it up. So this one's got some hinge problems. Well, there's some rust over here. It's pretty gnarly. All along the seam and everything. Some kind of table in here at one point. It looks like it came up. Oh yeah, there's the legs for it. So I wonder what they had back here. This is obviously some kind of separate room built.
There's more outlets. I don't know. I was thinking possibly a bathroom, but it's almost like it was just a garage.
Yeah. Interesting, because this is kind of how I want to kit out Red Van, except I want to put the wall behind the wheel wells. It still have a similar like garage area for tools and everything, possibly shower area.
Yeah, I could totally put like a desk and still have the bathroom here, put a wall, so it's like an office, and then bedroom and kitchen up there.
That's still plenty of room to sleep in. AC. I wonder if it works. We won't know unless we plug it into shore power though, but yikes, there's something growing there.
Oh, funky! Take a look. Fungus. That means there's a lot of moisture in the carpet.
Yikes, so it's leaking.
But that's cool.
Kind of gross. So those roof seams then,
Oh man.
or just even where this,
It's probably the condensation from this dripping into it.
well, I mean, yeah, you can kind of see moisture here.
He wants to tear all this out though.
True.
Ready for the big reveal?
Ready for the big reveal.
Oh, well, it's not glued on.
That's good.
Hey, not too bad.
Ooh, it's oily though. Wow. Looks like two. Two is the culprit. Ooh. Yeah, that's a pretty nasty spread right there. You won't find that on Orange Van. We had this cover off on Orange Van and it was clean and we cleaned it more. Oh, it looks like Five's got some gnarly back here too.
It's built all the way up the back here.
Yeah. That's a
And
big
it's pretty
job.
thick in there.
And plus, we still don't know what lies beneath, but I mean, we kind of get a preview of it here.
Look cohesive.
See the rust on the seams there. Here.
Because I don't want it to tilt.
I don't know what was here, but I can. Ooh, there's something up here that's got a lot of caulk on it. Ooh, yeah. I can kind of see it. Can't really focus on it,
Right.
but there's some pretty bad, pretty gnarly looking flaky cancer up there,
Flaky cancer.
up by the AC. Ah.
May or may not.
Fingers. Fingers. Ah.
You want to pull that cap loose?
Yeah.
I know that noise.
Go for it again. Yeah, that.
Well, it's gonna blow it off, isn't it?
I hope not, but. It's spinning pretty fast, and something's getting stuck there after you disengage the starter. Ooh. Definitely trying to fire. That is the Black Death.
She knew it wouldn't start before we got here, right?
No, it was
No.
starting.
But, okay. But before we got here. Good.
Oh. Oh, yeah.
so she doesn't think we disabled it taking the top off. Well, I mean, it's a real possibility that once you get it running, well, you drove it, you've heard it run, you drove it. It wasn't knocking and banging and horrible. So it's probably still a good deal. Now it's got additional troubleshooting to be figured out. That's why she still has it. I knew it was suspicious that she still had it after being listed this long. There's just, there had to be something going on. And this is definitely that something. I mean, this van is a no-go for, in my opinion, this is a no-go for somebody who's not got a YouTube channel of their own. I mean, to put it that way, or a shop where they specialize in them. Fort Pierce will probably come over here and offer $100. Check, abuse check. Yeah. It's not running, so I wouldn't expect the level to be right. But that color is yuck.
Gross.
Yeah.
This Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is a no-go from us. The body is not in that great of a shape, and with the amount of Black Death and potentially other hidden problems this van has, it is just not worth it. Unless you have a YouTube channel or are an avid DIYer, I would stay away from this van. And don't forget to check out our T1N Sprinter Buyer's Guide video for more tips and advice on buying your first Sprinter.
Obviously, this wasn't the right van for that buyer. I'm not sure this is the right van for any buyer. But if you're a potential buyer looking for a van, you want us to check one out here in Florida, drop us an email, bill@floridavanman.com. We'll go take a look at the van for you or with you. We'll shoot some video footage and talk to you about the van before we go away. So if you have any questions, we can go back and look at it, take it for a test drive with you on the phone. We'll do everything we can to help you find the right van for you.